Namaste everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in the video. In this video, I'm going to show you an Angular application, right? And this is the homepage of the Angular application. And now, if suppose you want to add an item from one list to the other list, you can simply drag and drop the item like this. Right. So if suppose the number of items exceeds the limit of a particular list, automatically you will see a vertical scroll bar getting created like this, which you can make use of for traversing the items of the list. Right. Similarly, you can add the items in the first list also like this. And if you want, you can add the items to, the last one also. And this is how the application works. So it's an animation kind of thing which I have created, which you can say it's an animation based application that I've created. Now, if you want to set up the application on your device through the code which I'm going to provide you in the form of a link in the description of the video, what all things you have to do, let me just guide you about it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to set up the Angular CLI, right? So for that you can simply run the command, this command in VS Code. So you have to open VS Code first, right, in which you're going to put this command. Now once you're done with firing this command, automatically a folder with name Kanban is going to get created on your device. You have to come inside Kanban and then you have to install this package named Bulma, right, which have been used in this application for getting this beautiful animation that I just showed you. Right. Now, once you're done with that, you have to, download all the files and you have to put them, sorry, inside the Kanban named folder. Right. You have to put them inside the Kanban named folder like this. And once you are through with it, you can simply, install the Angular CDK package first, and after that you can run the application with this command. And let me just show you that ngserve is basically the command that we use for running an Angular application. But if you use ngs-o, then that also is going to work with the application. Where is that? Okay, it's taking time for me to find that command, but let me just write it down over here. So ngserve, if you will fire in the command prompt of VS Code, automatically the application will come up on localhost 4200. You can run the application, you can check out the uh, you know final output, and in case you come across any issues, do let me know about it in the description section. If you want to create applications like this, if you want to become a successful coder, you're seeking you have a dream of working in among companies, Amazon, then Facebook or Google, then you need to know about all these things. And if you really want to learn these things, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screens. Right, so I'll be providing my number in the description section also of the video. And let me just tell you one more thing, that I am on WhatsApp on this number as well. So you can just text me your query. You can, if you want to know about the courses which I'm providing to the students right now, definitely you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. Right. Besides this, I am providing classes on different things like artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, mobile application development, web application development, Android mobile application development, and there are a number of things like cloud computing is also there. So if you really are interested in getting a hands-on experience of all these things, you really want to work in a big multinational company, you really have the dream to become a successful coder, then you can take these classes. Definitely you will not regret. I'm going to provide you number of things and you will take away number of things from each and every class which I will take. Right, thank you very much for being there with me in this tutorial. That is it from my side. Hope you guys enjoyed the application a lot. Do not forget to like and share the video in your groups so that the other students who want to become a successful coder can come on my channel. They can join my channel. They can learn these applications. They can know about these applications, and they can also try their hands on these applications. Right. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day.